Oleme jõudnud siia pealavale ja meil on siis toredad võistlejad Coinbot, Project Question Mark, Solution and Follower. Oleme jõudnud siia pealavale ja meil on 4 freestyle'i osalejad Coinbot, Project, küsimärk, Solution ja Follower. Is Coinbot ready? Who is the Coinbot? You are. Are you ready to present? If you are ready to present, please come on the stage and I will give you a microphone and it's your time to speak. Welcome.